What if I told you that this beautiful sunshine in a glass, your daily dose of vitamin C, could be setting you up for a health disaster? You've been told it's healthy, it's natural. But what you haven't been told is that mixing it with certain very common foods can create a toxic cocktail inside your body. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the 3 foods you should never, ever combine with orange juice. And I'm not talking about a simple tummy ache. I'm talking about a cascade of problems that could affect you for days, weeks, or even years to come. The third one in particular is something many people believe is a super healthy choice. And it's the most dangerous of all. Stay with me because what you're about to hear could literally change the way you see your breakfast forever. Let's begin with the first dangerous combination: orange juice and tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes. A staple in so-called health drinks. But here's where things get messy. When oranges are juiced, you get a concentrated dose of their sugar and acid without the natural fiber that would normally slow down digestion. This concentration is the key. When you mix this potent liquid with the wrong foods, you create a conflict in your digestive system. Tomatoes are also acidic, not quite as much as oranges, but acidic enough. They're also rich in oxalates and contain compounds that, when broken down, produce histamines in the gut. Now, combine that with the citric acid in orange juice, and your stomach acid goes into overdrive. This double hit of acidity not only raises the risk of acid reflux, it can also lead to inflammation in the lining of your stomach, especially if you drink this on an empty stomach. That burning feeling you sometimes get after a healthy juice, it's not in your head, it's likely gastritis starting to brew. Even more concerning is what this combo does to your digestion. When orange juice and tomato juice mix, their acids compete and slow down the breakdown of other foods. This can lead to fermentation in your gut, and once fermentation starts, gas production increases. You feel bloated, uncomfortable, maybe even nauseated. Do this for a week or two and suddenly your digestive system is out of sync and your gut bacteria will be completely off balance. But the real long-term danger comes from repeated exposure to high levels of oxalates from the tomatoes, combined with the high vitamin C in oranges. That combo significantly increases your risk for calcium oxalate kidney stones, a painful condition that can take months to reverse. So the next time you think about juicing tomatoes with oranges, remember, just because 2 things are healthy on their own doesn't mean they're safe together. The second food to never combine with orange juice is papaya. This tropical fruit contains a powerful enzyme called papain, which is exceptional at breaking down large protein molecules. It's so effective, it's used in meat tenderizers. So what's the problem? Well, enzymes are like delicate precision tools, and their effectiveness depends entirely on their environment, especially its acidity or pH level. The papain enzyme works best in a neutral or only slightly acidic environment. When you drink orange juice, you flood your stomach with a high concentration of citric acid. This intense acidity denatures the papain enzyme. To put it simply, the acid warps and bends the enzyme out of shape, like a key bent so badly it can no longer open a lock. A denatured enzyme is a useless enzyme. The main health benefit of the papaya is instantly neutralized, but it gets worse. You haven't just wasted the enzyme. You've created a digestive traffic jam. The proteins you've eaten, which the papain was supposed to digest, are now sitting in your stomach, waiting to be broken down. Your body has to work overtime, struggling to deal with them. This delay leads to fermentation, which releases gas, causing that heavy, bloated, and gassy feeling. Over time, this pattern of poor digestion can lead to chronic issues. In the short term, within a day, you'll feel sluggish. Over weeks and months, you might notice things like brain fog, low energy, and even skin problems, as your body struggles to cope with the byproducts of inefficient digestion. Now for the third and most critical combination. This is the one that is widely promoted as a healthy choice, but the science reveals a hidden danger. Before we reveal what it is, if you're learning something new right now, go ahead and give this video a like and hit subscribe. Each week, you'll get a video that breaks down important health facts in a way that's easy to understand and easy to apply, so you can stay safe while still enjoying the foods you love. Let's get back to the third and most surprising food you should never juice with an orange: carrots. The classic orange and carrot juice is sold everywhere as a wellness drink, a supposed powerhouse of vitamin C and beta-carotene. The reality is that this mixture creates a perfect storm of digestive conflict. Carrots are full of starch. Starch digestion actually starts in the mouth with an enzyme in your saliva. However, that enzyme is immediately switched off by the high acid environment of the stomach. The main breakdown of starches is meant to happen later, in the less acidic small intestine. When you drink orange and carrot juice, you dump a highly acidic liquid and a heavy starch into your stomach at the same time. The acid from the oranges creates an environment where the carrot starch simply cannot be processed. It sits there and ferments. This fermentation is what causes extreme gas, bloating, and painful cramping. The danger goes beyond bloating. This specific combination can put a severe strain on your liver. Faced with this confusing, high-acid, high-starch mixture, the liver can be triggered to overproduce bile in an attempt to manage the situation. This can lead to bile reflux, causing a severe form of heartburn. Within a day of drinking a large glass of these two foods, you could experience significant discomfort. Make it a weekly habit, and you could develop chronic reflux issues. Over the long term, months and years, this repeated damage from both acid and bile reflux is a major risk factor for a precancerous condition called Barrett's esophagus, where the very cells of your esophageal lining begin to change. So, how do you avoid these problems? The principle is simple. Don't force your body to handle conflicting digestive tasks at the same time. Acidic fruits like oranges digest very quickly. Starches like carrots and proteins require a completely different process and a lot more time. Mixing them is a recipe for trouble. Now that you know what not to mix with your orange juice, you might be wondering, what can I mix with orange juice that's actually safe and beneficial? That's exactly what we'll cover in the next video, where I'll break down the best morning juice combos for clean energy, balanced digestion, and stronger immunity without the risks. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss this video.